Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating.
Talk too much, man.
Oh,
Anytime I come close and then every time I come close you tell me I'm pushing you the damn way. Come on, man. Go on, chat.
First of all, do not speak to me like that. You know you don't talk to me.
Shut up!
Don't.
Like one, like the other, eat!
Yo, that prank, Tamila, you did that prank, girl.
Team daughter in the building.
Listen to me. If you guys don't go check out Like Mother Like Daughter Eats. Oh, hold up. Eats. You guys are missing out. Their pranks are epic. Richie and I be rolling.
Team daughter.
Okay, let me get into the intro. Hey family, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have, what we have, Oni?
What does it look like to y'all? Y'all tell me, take a guess. No, it's not Popeyes. No, it's not KFC. It's RFC popcorn chicken. Look at it. Just look at it. You know, I came through last week with the fried chicken. This week I came with the popcorn chicken. It's the popcorn chicken for me. All right. So we got first, you know, we need
Chick-fil-A sauce.
There you go.
Oh, and we have some fries back here.
We got the fries back here,
I know you can't see it, you know, underneath all this popcorn chicken, but
popcorn.
It there. Popcorn chicken it there.
Popcorn chicken at the place.
Not the artist, the chicken.
The chicken for we. But listen now, family. Real talk. But look at this. Before we do, I hope you liked that challenge video yesterday. First lady did excellent. But look at this. Take a look. First lady, put your hand right there, please. Look at that.
I'm not talking to you because you tell me to shut up.
Look at that, look at that, look at that. Yes, it's not Popeyes. It's RFC in the building.
That looks good.
Looks good, right?
Tastes even better.
Listen, this one ain't I don't want it to be crunchy because the last time the chicken they said there's crunch for them.
I see y'all move.
I don't know why I do that.
So, what made you want to make popcorn chicken?
I'm tired of spending money at Popeyes.
That's a good reason.
So, why not? I got the blueprint, but I got the RFC blueprint, you know? Do what you do, you know? Just try something. But
something
I know,
light.
Something light. Oh. Got the grace on that I bring it out today. You know?
This is really good.
Good, right? Tastes good? Okay, first lady approve. The kids them love it too. Wow. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't capping.
So guys.
Wow.
I gotta go grocery shopping, right? There's no bottled water in the house, and everybody's running around here talking about some.
Did they ask you that?
They're thirsty.
They ain't ask you that, right? I tell you about that, and I tell you about telling people your business, you know. Oh my gosh, you'll never feel me, you know. They never ask you about the water, enough, my youth.
There's no. My kids are walking around here saying they're thirsty. I'm like, okay, we need water. That's all they really drink is water.
Family, when there's water in the house, since you won't go telling me, when there's water in the house, they just drink open and just leave it. Open, leave it. It'll be 100 water bottles. Now is the time when they don't have it. Now they're running like they're in the desert.
But all those waters they get drunk.
Oh, yeah, so what I'm drinking here? Cheap and clean black people juice.
Which is the only one that drinks that.
So what?
Everybody else drinks water.
I drink that. It's healthy. Chill out. Enjoy your popcorn chicken. We're not going back to Popeyes, you know that, right? Family.
You full of talk, huh?
My chef. And we got some kind of fries. What kind of fries is this?
Wait. I took another popcorn chicken and I have one right here. So I'm greedy.
Confused, guys. It's nice.
This is
Checkers fries. From Walmart.
Or Riley's, right?
Right. But what y'all think? I did a good job? Comment down if I did a good job.
I think so.
Think I did a good job, first lady?
I do. Even though you're 9.
Enjoy with us today. It's a lot, so come on.
It's not spicy, so you guys can handle it.
Yeah, don't be shy, but yo, it's just a taste. Wow. Wow.
It's crispy on the outside, but inside it's still juicy.
That's how it's supposed to be.
Oh, shoot.
Come on.
Family, check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We are back. I know you like it because I love it. Sorry about that. We're just getting down in this awesomeness.
We was all over the place today.
Yeah. But you know what? It's our channel. We do what we want. Right, family? And you like it. That's right. We're different. Right? Okay. You ready then? Is that blue cheese?
Stay on your side. Is that the sauce you have? What are you asking for this blue cheese for?
In the comment, people saying I didn't help you with the chicken.
Are you sure I did not?
I was full.
Alright, Richie, if you want any sauce, you said no. I got my own sauce.
I do.
Don't come over here. Let me tell you right now.
Nice too. Popcorn. Here, I'm gonna put some of the sauce on it for you now. The Chick-fil-A.
Wow.
Yeah, get some of the sauce. Take a big bite here.
Ooh, that looks good, honey.
Looks good, right? Damn. Damn, my sorry. I like it.
I like it like that.
So how was y'all week? How y'all been doing, man?
I like it like that.
The corona's still getting... like, you know... Family, I'm thinking about getting that vaccine.
We're going to do nonsense.
That's the first day they say don't go get it. I didn't know vaccine was free. That's crazy. Why not? Okay. So I eat my popcorn chicken.
How many breasts did you use? Oh my gosh.
I use 2 breasts.
And you get it from Bravo. Bravo breast big enough?
Yeah, I got from Bravo. Bravo breast big. Family,
Bravo breast big.
I use 2 breasts and I cut it up in chunks. Look at it. I didn't see inside further. I didn't see inside. Look inside.
This fed all of us.
All of it. And it's still out there.
Yeah, it could still fed another 2 people.
Yep. Yep. Popcorn.
But because Richie's around.
Family, remember the time when I was surprised I'll taste it? That's true. Yeah, I eat up. It's a lot today. Okay? We sharing a lot from the other days, so you gotta help us.
That is true.
Yeah.
Okay.
What you gotta say now?
I'm gonna tell you guys the truth. Okay? Those atomic wings messed me up.
Yo. First day the body bun hard.
You ever been in your deep sleep? You're good up sleep. And you have a dream. And your stomach start bubbling and you're like,
What the hell going on?
what the hell going on? But you're like, no, not right now. I want to sleep. And no matter how much you try to continue sleeping, your stomach is like, you better get the hell up. and you have to jump up and go to the bathroom. My stomach was hurting me, and I'm starting to realize that maybe I'm getting old. I can't handle pepper no more. But
that was hot.
so for me, I don't know what it is. Like I don't know what kind of pepper they put in that thing, like a 2-time spicy sauce, and that those are atomic wings. I don't know what kind of pepper they put in there, but it always mess up my stomach. But I'm telling you, look at this. I'm telling you one thing. When I eat my onions or something with scotch bonnet pepper, my stomach don't bother me.
Don't. But onion pepper is different.
Oh.
It's a crunch for me. Yeah. This is on fleek. Yeah.
When you went to Bravo, you didn't buy any more cola champagne mix?
I never look for that.
No.
And chicken will come out. Wow. They saying how the hell? They say Richie, you ain't made that.
He did.
You bought that. I don't get what I'm saying, huh? Huh. Yeah, I know I made it.
Oh.
Alright.
Listen, family, we have an announcement to make.
What's up?
We will be selling our patties and shipping them to your home very soon. Now,
Explain.
I know a lot of family members had inboxed me or DM'd me.
We didn't forget about y'all.
We did not forget about you guys, and you guys already sent me your address, already sent me saying I want those patties, and trust me, you guys will love them. They are delicioso. But one thing about us, if we're gonna do something, we want to do it right. We don't want to just do it and it doesn't come out right, and we have our name on it. So we want to make sure that when it's packaged and shipped to you, that you get it fresh and it's not thawed out. So we have to make sure, like, we have to do a trial and error. So what we've been doing is, believe it or not, I have family members all over. So we've been doing shipments to family members and making sure that when they receive the item, they're getting it in 2 days. It's still frozen. It's not, you know, it's still intact.
Yep.
So now that we have that under our belt, we're going to start making sure that we get the right size boxes, the right, you know, we got to get dry ice, all of that stuff, installation bags, all of that stuff. And then we can go ahead and start shipping it out to you guys. We also want to build a website, so you guys can just go on there, click, 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 add it to the cart, and you guys can have it shipped to your home in 2 days, okay? And hopefully, like I said, we'll be getting the website, getting that done, so it's easy process for you guys, and you guys can see all the flavors. We have 5 different flavors, and we'll take it from there. But we wanted to give you guys an update, because I know a lot of family members, like I said, DM'd us, and you guys are probably wondering what the hell is going on.
I didn't know, I mean, it's coming, don't worry. Boston in the building. Mama Shay is coming too.
Yes.
Everybody else is coming. We have to get it right first, you know what I'm saying?
We got to get it right. We got to make sure that when it's being shipped to you guys, see, I have, see?
No, family, I ate up all the popcorn there. I don't want no more. I'm full.
Yeah? I'm full too.
Excuse me. I'm not for that.
When it's all said and done, you guys will be very happy with it.
Yep. Have to be a dozen.
Yes. We have to ship a dozen because when you're shipping something frozen, the time that it takes to package it, to get dry ice, to get the insulated bag, we can't ship anything less than a dozen patties. But the good thing is that you can have all flavors.
That's right. Any flavor you want.
So if you can do 3 of each flavors, you know, you can do half and half, whatever. Okay?
So that's what we've been working on too. We've just been busy, you know? It's a lot of stuff. Don't look.
Look at his boxes. Look at his boxes, guys. So see, this is the insulated bags that we have in here. And we have a lot more of these.
Yeah, a lot more of those, yeah.
This one. And we're able to ship frozen things. I'm waiting for the boxes from the company that I ordered. Different sizes so I can see which box will fit a dozen perfectly. Because they say that when you're mailing something that's frozen, it's good to have the box the exact size so that when you put the item, the cold item, and then you put the dry ice on top of it, it's nice and cold. So when you get it, it's frozen and it's nice and fresh and you understand?
You understand?
Yeah,
Yeah, family. So we're doing our thing. So don't think we forgot about y'all. We ain't forget about y'all.
We did not.
We ain't gonna do that. You know what I'm saying? We say something, we want to come through with it, but you know, we've just been doing a lot of stuff to get it right. But don't worry. Oh! You dip on one piece of chicken the whole day to hell.
I'm full.
You full of one piece of chicken?
I ate a lot of chicken.
Put a little bit, let me use that sauce. Let me eat some more.
Which one? This one?
Yeah, do that right here. Hold on, fam. First lady.
No more water in the house to backside.
To buy some.
When I come out of the house, I'm not gonna wear. I got my bed.
Family, first lady, listen.
Yes, baby love.
To be kind is more important than to be right. Many times, what people need is not a brilliant mind that speaks, but a special heart that listens. Look at me, say you're big idea. I'm joking. Look at me.
Make sure so you read it again because you need to make sure that you take it after your own stuff.
Family, sometimes no one read the pastor the word I did. Like first lady, I was after chatting up.
Yes, I have.
Right.
I'm after chat my truth because sometimes the word of the day be pointing to you and you're not listening to them.
Are you got your word pun? Again, family. First lady.
Make that be.
Listen
be the last time you do that. Okay, before you get don't. I'll knock you off. Don't play with me.
You see you want to beat me on my camera?
Be damn right.
Alright, family, listen.
Read it again.
Alright, yes. I will. Anything else? Alright. To be kind is more important than to be right. Many times, what people need is a brilliant mind that speaks, but a special heart that listens. What do you think, first lady? Family, is the first lady want to beat me up on camera? Excuse me. Wow.
I don't know. What are you telling them for? Like Pop, they can save you?
Pop, they can't save me for real. They're just hyping me up and then I get beaten.
You know, stop before people think I abuse you.
No, first they don't abuse me.
There's no abusing in this relationship.
First they don't abuse me. All right.
I abuse him in other ways though.
Be careful.
You can't wink.
Don't follow my Instagram.
Here you go, the nonsense again.
Alright, family, for the jokers out, we appreciate y'all. Y'all know that. Always. We ride. You know? We say greedy couple for life.
Greedy couple for life.
Right.
Gang.
Gang. We shared. If you're new, like, subscribe, and share. And welcome to the greedy couple. They are first lady.
The greedy family. Honey, there was a lot of food here now.
Yeah, I mean, alone am it off. Family, I'm gonna stop eating her side now. I'm gonna stop eating first lady side now.
Why?
I'm getting my figure getting. I gotta look from get ready.
Let me worry about your figure.
I gotta have my summer body, dog. Summer coming. I gotta have my summer body, son. Family, go ahead first lady. Give me the outro. Enough chicken is fine. You want to tell us a little bit of chicken?
It's a lot of chicken.
That breast did good.
That's what I'm saying. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang.
Bye. It was a lot of chicken, Tom.